Let's talk about no-code, the tech everyone's buzzing about. It's changing the way we think about building, creating, and solving problems in the digital world. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, you've probably heard the hype. Maybe you've seen someone build a website in a weekend and thought, but can it handle real engineering? As engineers, we spend years mastering code, learning the ins and outs of complex systems, and taking pride in our craft. It's natural to be skeptical of tools that promise to do it all without writing a single line of code. Drag-and-drop tools can feel like cheating. But what if no code is actually a secret superpower? Not a replacement, but a shortcut for the right jobs. It's not about skipping the fundamentals. It's about accelerating your workflow and unlocking new possibilities. Sometimes you need a custom masterpiece. Other times, you just need a chair. Fast. No code is a force multiplier. Imagine prototyping a new feature in hours, not days. It's like having a toolkit that lets you move from idea to execution at lightning speed, so you can test, iterate, and improve without getting bogged down. It lets you save your brain power for the hard stuff. This isn't about abandoning your craft, it's about working smarter. By automating repetitive tasks and streamlining workflows, you free up time and energy for the challenges that truly matter. Our job is to solve problems, and sometimes the best tool is the fastest one. The real skill is knowing when to build from scratch and when to leverage powerful shortcuts. So, let's dig in. What is no-code? Where does it fit? And when should you use it? We'll explore how it can complement your skills and help you deliver results faster than ever before. Let's add this tool to your arsenal. Ready? Let's go. The future of engineering is about adaptability, and no-code might just be the edge you need. So, what exactly is no-code, and why is everyone talking about it these days? At its core, no-code is a visual development environment that lets you create software without having to write a single line of code. Instead of typing out complex instructions, you simply drag and drop elements onto a canvas, connecting them together, almost like building with digital Lego blocks. Each of these blocks represents pre-written code for things like login forms, emails, or databases. All you have to do is snap them together in the order you want. Think of it like using a microwave. You don't need to know how it works inside. You just use the interface to get the results you want, quickly and easily. No-code platforms hide all the technical complexity. You simply direct what you want to happen, and the platform takes care of the rest, running the processes for you. While low-code tools give you more control and let you tweak the details, no-code is all about speed, accessibility, and simplicity, making it possible for anyone to build. The real magic isn't that code disappears. It's that you never have to see or write it. The platform generates all the code for you, behind the scenes. Just drag a button onto your app, set what you want it to do, and the platform instantly creates the code to make it work. You're like the director of a movie, giving instructions and making creative decisions, while the platform acts as your crew, handling the technical work. No-code lets you build powerful apps and tools fast, without sweating the technical details. That's the real magic of no-code. Why should engineers care? One word: speed. In today's fast-paced world, delivering results quickly is everything. The faster you can build, test, and launch, the more value you bring to your team and your users. No-code lets you skip boilerplate and focus on what matters. Instead of spending hours on repetitive setup, you can jump straight to solving real problems and building features that make a difference. Need a dashboard? Retool or AppSmith can do it in an hour. What used to take days or even weeks can now be accomplished before lunch, freeing up time for more complex challenges. Prototyping a new feature? Build a working model in a day, get feedback, and iterate. No wasted sprints. You can experiment, test ideas, and pivot quickly, all without heavy investment. If users love it, invest real engineering. If not, move on. No technical debt. You're free to try bold ideas without worrying about cleaning up messy code later. Maintenance is easier too. For simple tools, let the platform handle updates and security. You can trust the platform to keep things running smoothly, so you don't have to babysit every project. No code means less code to maintain, freeing you for bigger challenges. You'll spend less time fixing bugs and more time innovating. It also empowers others. Teach non-engineers to build their own tools, and you become an enabler, not a bottleneck. Your team becomes more self-sufficient, and you can focus on high-impact work. You help the whole team move faster. Collaboration improves, and everyone benefits from the momentum. No-code turns you into the go-to problem solver. You're the person who can unblock projects and make things happen. It's about working smarter, not harder. That's a win for you, your team, and your company. No code isn't a silver bullet. It's great for simple workflows, but complex logic or custom algorithms, you'll hit a wall. Security is another concern. Sensitive data, compliance needs. No-code platforms limit your control. Scalability can be a problem. As your app grows, performance may lag and costs can skyrocket. Vendor lock-in is real. Migrating away can mean a total rebuild. Customization is limited. Need a unique UI or feature? You're stuck with what the platform offers. For mission-critical, high-scale, or highly customized projects, stick to code. No code is for quick wins, not long-term foundations. Know the limits before you start. Use the right tool for the job. Sometimes that means saying no. So, when should you use no code? Ask, is this a quick prototype, internal tool, or simple automation? If yes, no code is perfect. For complex, scalable, or sensitive projects, stick to code. Don't build your skyscraper on Legos. Always consider data sensitivity. If it's private or regulated, build in-house. For public or low-risk data, no code is a smart shortcut. The real choice isn't code versus no code. It's about being pragmatic. Use the best tool for the job, and don't let ego get in the way. No code makes you more effective, not less of an engineer. Free yourself to focus on the hard problems. Next time a simple task comes up, ask, could no code do this faster? You might be surprised at what you can accomplish.